Hello, all you lovely computer scientists. Today we're going to show off a very useful command. os.system CLS. What this does is it will clear all the printed statements, all the input statements, all the outputs. Have a blank slate. Very useful if you have a big program and you want it to not just clog up the output. So, if you're having a command line interface or a other print-based screen, you might want to clear every once in a while. Which is why we're going to be showing off OS. What it does is it will clear the screen. So let's set something up to be cleared. Okay. See, we got hello. We use time.sleep to wait. Because otherwise it would just look like I haven't pressed the button. os.system bracket CLS clears the screen. So we'll have a different print. That wasn't very easy to see. I'm going to add some more time. Right, hello. Sleep for 3 seconds. Clears. And prints goodbye. This can be used for different things. Multiple different things. It's useful not just in basic clearing, but it's useful in a lot of situations. You'd have big sequences which require a reset, such as tic-tac-toe or hangman. You want it to clear every once in a while. I'll give an example. See, that doesn't look good, because now it looks like a sandwich. What we're trying to do is have it spawn an O on the surface or something. So what you can do is have it clear the screen. See? Makes it better. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope you learned something. I especially hope that you learn to use this very useful command in your code. If you learned it, please comment and tell me about other things you learned. Tell me how it would help, because it helps me make better videos.